Dear students, welcome to today's session. Hope you all have learned the format of total debtors, total creditors, bills receivable and bills payable. If you have understood the format, it will be easy for you to calculate the missing figures. Today, I will be teaching you two sums to calculate the missing figures. If you don't have textbook, you can look on to the screen for the question. Question number 11, page number 34. If you don't have the textbook, you can watch the screen. I'll read the question. From the following details, find out total sales made during the year. Debtors on 1st January 2018, 1,30,000. Cash receipt from debtors during the year, 4,20,000. Sales returns, 35,000. Bad debts, 15,000. Debtors on 31st December 2018, 2 lakh. That is the closing debtors, 2 lakh. Cash sales, 4,60,000. So now what is asked in the question? You have to find out total sales. To find out total sales, what are the things you require? You require cash sales and credit sales. Cash sales is given, but credit sales is not given. So to calculate credit sales, you have to prepare total debtors account. Total debtors account. Particulars, 2 amount columns on the credit side. Same way on the debit side, 2 amount columns, particulars, rupees. So now you see the question. So as I already told you, total debtors. Debtors is a debtor. Total debtors are sundry debtors. Debtors are assets. All assets have debit balance. So the opening balance of total debtors should come to the debit side. So here you have to write to balance brought down. That is the first thing, first item, opening balance. So see the question. How much is the opening balance of debtors? Debtors on 1st January 2018 is 1,30,000. Opening debtors. Next item is cash received from debtors. So by cash. Cash received from debtors is 4,20,000. Next item is sales return. Right, by sales returns account, 35,000. Next is bad debts by bad debts, that is 15,000. Debtors on 31st December 2018, that is closing debtors. Opening balance is on the debit side, closing balance will be on the credit side. So here you write by balance carried down, that is closing debtors or closing balance. It is 2 lakh. Now, what for this debtors account is prepared? Total debtors account is prepared to find out the credit sales. So, credit sales is missing. To find out the credit sales is missing here. Credit sales has to come on the debit side. So, first what you have to do, add up this, put the total for this. So, that will give 6,70,000. So, this is credit sales account, balancing figure. So 6,70,000, subtract this 1,30,000, that will give 5,40,000 is your credit sales. You can put a circle for the missing figure and put the total on the same line. Okay children, you understood how to calculate credit sales. But what is asked in the question? Total sales is asked. So total sales is equal to total sales is equal to cash sales plus credit sales. Cash sales is 4,60,000. Credit sales is 5,40,000. So total sales is 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh. So put a box for the total sales. Hope you understood, children, how to calculate total sales. Thank you.